Hi everyone, I'm Shalin, the founder of Ahti.
Hi, my name is Toby. I'm the founder of Altarize Materials in Bali.
Saya Berhasata Indra, Principal Architect dari Manon Design Studio.
Saya Adit dari Prima Design.
And so Ahti is a design-led bathroom and sanitary ware brand. We've been in Bali for coming up to 2 years now, where we develop bathroom and sanitary ware fittings, which are designed first. And so all of our products are designed in-house, and we use premium European quality material. Coming with a background of 60 years of family history and experience in the sanitary ware field, we've put all that experience together to create a brand specifically for the Indonesia market. And so that heritage is what we wanted to leverage and bring to the market.
We're focusing on developing high-performance materials with very low environmental impact. Currently, we're focusing mainly on finishing products, so anything from plasters to paints, very low energy microcements, basically all coatings from walls to floors to countertops, with infinite customization options. And our focus is really to utilize as much waste materials as possible and combining it with natural non-toxic binders to develop something really unique.
Manon Design Studio adalah sebuah studio arsitektur dan interior yang percaya bahwa desain bukan hanya tentang bentuk, tapi juga tentang cerita, pengalaman, dan makna. Dengan value kami, Nature Inspired Brand Define, kami menghadirkan desain yang terinspirasi oleh alam, namun tetap kuat dalam karakter dan identitas. Sehingga setiap ruang memiliki soul dan relevansinya yang jelas bagi penggunanya.
Kami merupakan sebuah studio desain di Bali yang spesialis untuk project-project special lighting untuk kafe, restoran, villa, resort, dan lainnya.
So we launched Ahti in Bali in 2024, and this would be our natural next step for Ahti. So Ahti is where Indonesia's design and architect community come together, and we wanted to bring a little bit of that Bali experience and energy into Jakarta, the craft, the materiality, the design, and have those conversations with those who are really leading the way in Indonesia currently.
For the past few years, we've been mainly focused on the Bali market, and we've been growing our business very successful here. We've been participating in hundreds of projects, mainly between Bali and Lombok, and we just want to increase our impact now to service more of Indonesia, to work with more local architects and designers as well. And in that regard, we feel that Ahti is really a beautiful platform where we can showcase our materials, where we can connect with local decision makers, and really have a better traction in Java. We have a lot of synergies with Ahti. We're very aligned in our vision and our values to develop and supply very sustainable solutions with the focus on high customization, high focus on design aspects and quality. So it's a natural, really great fit for us. And we had a beautiful experience last year with the collaboration at GIA, where I think we really showcased what's possible when you put beautiful creatives together. And we're super excited to deepen this collaboration now. We have a showroom coming up together, and lots of exciting things.
Alasan kita setuju untuk berkolaborasi untuk Manik Ring Cecupu ini ketika ditawari oleh Ahti, karena kita sudah pernah bekerja sama sebelumnya di pameran di GIA, dan kita juga tahu visi dan misi dari Ahti seperti apa, dan kita kira itu akan match dengan visi dan kolaborasi untuk Prima Design. Juga melihat dari desain dari Manik Ring Cecupu ini yang dibuat oleh Manon, yang kita kira ini secara desain cukup menarik sehingga kita setuju untuk kolaborasi untuk mendukung booth ini.
So after the success at our last exhibition in Bali last year, when Toby asked us to partner again for ArchID this year, we didn't really hesitate at all. So working with Pak Indra at Manon Design and Pak Adit at Prima Design, they both bring a very unique perspective to design. They understand how to accentuate a feeling in space and bring all these partners together to create one unified design feeling. So that's what we wanted to create at ArchID, and we felt these were the perfect partners for us this year.
Yeah, so we were thinking to, concept-wise, we really wanted to achieve something that feels whole, that feels like a full experience for someone in a exhibition, that is not just one product, and it feels very sales driven. For us, the objective and vision was really to create something very warm and welcoming that feels like a home. So we were thinking about incorporating furniture makers. We found a beautiful company from Bandung, which is called Robin Happelt. They focus on very sustainable furniture made with local natural materials, and again focused on very high quality, very high design approach with customization and unique design. And then for smaller objects and design objects, we were working with a small Bali-based company which is called Vestu, and they develop beautiful materials and objects based on ceramics and natural papers like lamps, toiletry items, and yeah, so it's a real complete package.
Jadi kolaborasi menjadi sangat penting karena proyek ini memang tidak pernah dimaksudkan lahir dari satu suara saja. Jadi di Manik Ring Cecupu ini setiap kolaborator membawa disiplin yang berbeda, seperti teknologi air dan sanitary yang direpresentasikan oleh Ahti, finishing lime plaster dari Altarize, Craftmanship furniture dari Ken & Co, lalu interior ambience dari Vestu, dan dari lighting dari Prima, hingga spatial storytelling yang dikonsepkan oleh Manon Design Studio. Jadi peran kami di sini adalah memastikan seluruh kontributor itu tidak terasa terpisah. Jadi daripada bertanya bagaimana menaruh masing-masing produk, kami justru fokus memberikan peran untuk setiap kolaborator pada ruang ini. Dan dari situ, booth ini bisa lebih terasa menyatu bukan hanya secara visual, tetapi juga secara konseptual, yang pada akhirnya hasilnya bukan terasa seperti kumpulan brand, melainkan satu ekosistem arsitektural yang lengkap.
Booth Manik Ring Cecupu ini kita mengajak kolaborasi dari beberapa vendor, yaitu LTECH sebagai smart lighting system, juga Signify yang membawahi Philips. Untuk LTECH sendiri kita sudah menggunakan di beberapa proyek cukup banyak, dan menurut kita itu secara sistem cukup reliable, dan untuk kedepannya sistem semacam ini yang akan digunakan pada proyek-proyek ke depan. Juga terkait dengan Philips, itu merupakan yang udah well-known brand, jadi kita cukup optimis untuk membawa mereka dalam booth ini.
Honestly, our goal at ArchID is to have fun, and obviously it's also to meet some wonderful people who are making a real impact in design in Indonesia. So if we walk away from this experience with great relationships and a few people who genuinely connect with our brand and our product, that would be a success for us for sure.
I mean, generally, we're just really excited to share our materials with many more people, many new people. Hopefully that typically we feel that natural materials are not yet in the mainstream in a market like Jakarta and in urban markets. So that's really a beautiful opportunity for us to educate more, to showcase what can be done with natural materials, and doing it at really the highest level in a beautiful platform where the decision makers and creatives of this amazing vast country come together and celebrate design, celebrate beautiful architecture, and we're really excited to be part of this.
Saya berharap pengunjung mampu merasakan sebuah jeda, di mana di tengah suasana pameran yang sibuk, saya menginginkan booth ini mampu memberikan momen yang lebih tenang, momen untuk merasa lebih grounded, momen untuk merefleksikan kembali hubungan antara kehidupan manusia, alam, dan ritual keseharian. Saya berharap audiens yang datang bisa mengingat atmosfer dan rasa seimbang yang hadir di dalam instalasi ini.